Hi, this is Kayla from CreativeMinds. In this video, we're going to look at how to install and configure the CreativeMinds Map Routes Manager. And this is the free version that you can download from WordPress.org. After you install and activate the plugin, you'll be taken to the settings. And the first thing we need to do is to set the Google Maps API key. So click on this link and you'll get taken to the Google Developers Console. Then you need to create your first project here. And then once you click that, Google will take you to the settings and you need to write a project name for internal use and then put the URL for the page where the plugin is installed. And just note you need to put an asterisk there before the URL. And then you can create and you'll get the API key. So you can copy that and then go back to the plugin settings and that's pasted. After this, you can click on Save, and now you're ready to start adding routes. So this is a very important step. The plugin will not work without the Google API key. And now let's add the first route. So click on Dashboard, which will show you all the routes already made, and then click on Add a Route. You can give the route a name, a description, choose whether you want to display in feet or meters, and you can add images. And now let's put our route on the map. So use the location finder to get close to the area of the route that you want to draw. So type in the location in the search. And you can switch here between map and satellite view depending on which kind of route you'd like to draw. And you can move the map around. In this example, we're going to draw the route with direct view, but there are several other options you can use. So if you're going to do a driving a car route, you should use this mode here. For a cycling mode, you should use this mode. And for walking that's in a city, so a city walking tour, you can use this mode. But if it's a wilderness trail, it's best to use the direct mode so that Google won't try to find the map for you. And you can make it very specific. So let's start by adding our first location, which will be the starting point. And then from there we're going to switch to putting waypoints. And the difference between location and waypoints is that with location we'll be able to add extra information, and waypoints is just a route marker. So if you do want to add extra information for any point on the route, use the location marker. And here we're going to put the waypoints up to the top of our route, the top of a mountain, and then back down. And now we're going to add another location for our end point. So now you can scroll down, and for each location you can put a label, a description, and images if you would like. So after this, save the route, and you'll get a message confirming that the route was saved, and you can now view the route. So the map is now shown on a high resolution map, and it's because we're focused on a small area instead of a bigger map. And again, you can choose here between satellite and map mode. Scroll down to see route information, and here you can see the images and the locations that you've added in the descriptions. So let's go back to the plugin settings, and you can also view the index page, and this shows you all the routes that you've already drawn. And clicking on this link will take me to the route page. So overall, this plugin allows you to simply draw routes from direct mode to walking, car, or bicycle. And if you're interested in updating to Pro, there are many more options, like importing and exporting from KML files or GPSX, using specific icons, shortcodes, weather info, and much more. Thank you for watching.